if name, lname, email, password, confirm password, and then what is like address. If name, lname will store under the lname, email will store under the email, then what is next? I filled password. Pass will store into the pass variable. cpass will store into the cpass variable. Alert all. Fname plus lname one more is there, right? Message address have to go to the address variable. Name lname address email password c password. So we have total 2 4 6. We have here 2 2 4 5 and 6. Okay, add like this. Enter there 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alert should come 1 2 3 4 5 6. If that is happening, then you are able to pick the value correctly. Pass. Hello. Okay, next work is, let me give you the email pattern. Are we in the chat or out of the chat? Email pattern plus, yeah. So let me send you this email pattern. This email pattern is for what purpose? Email pattern is for, take that and paste here. E pattern. Okay, e pattern if here, e pattern if here. In that e pattern, we will be doing something. Now let's come up. Okay, or first let's check the f name, l name, address, and other things. E pattern is there in the chat. You can copy that once we require. Create a variable var. Create a variable called form status. Form status equal to false, or maybe false, not keep as a true. Form status equal to true. Why we are making this form status true? To understand at last, okay, to understand at last any input is missing or what. Like suppose when the user will fill the form, so many groups are there. Okay, so like suppose if user has not filled the form, while not filling the form, there may be error under the name field, F name. There can be error under the last name. There can be error under the email, password mismatch. So for that, we made a variable here to understand at last, whether form is filled or not. Go in the last, check here. If form status double equal to false, form status double equal to false, then alert, not alert, you have a field below document dot get element by id, which id, error message dot inner text equal to error msg dot inner text equal to invalid input, else 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 please wait, submitting to server, please wait, submitting to server. Please wait, submitting to server. Okay. Now if you click on button, what message you can say? Save the file, run the page, click on submit button in the last. See what is the error message. Please wait, submitting to server. Now why it is coming to this part? Because form status variable is true. By default, what we have made? True. Now this is the last section. Okay, this is the last section. Okay. Before that, we are going to check fname is invalid. If fname is invalid, then it will say invalid input. Or email is invalid, then it will say invalid input. Or last name is invalid, then it will say invalid. Out of all, if anyone is not filled properly, then what will happen? This form status will make it a false. Once we make it a false, then it will say invalid. Now let us see here. If fname double equal to empty, then if fname double equal to empty, then my status equal to false. For L name here. No, check for one. Check for one for F name. Don't enter anything. Without entering anything, click on submit button. Without entering anything, click on submit button. But it says invalid. Invalid. Yes. We'll add here else part also for different purpose. Okay. Now copy the same if again and paste again. Do here L name is empty. Else I have written for different purpose. Now you don't fill both. Don't fill anything. Click on submit button. Message will come invalid input. Then enter the first name and then click on submit button. Don't enter the this one. Which one? Last name. Fill one and don't fill other. See what is the message. Fill both, then see what is the message. If you fill both, what will happen? Please wait submitting to server. If you will missed out anyone, invalid input. If you missed out both, then also invalid input. Let me show you how it works. If I click here, invalid input. If I fill the first one, anything, still invalid. If I fill the second also, please wait submitting to server. We can print in center. Keep a line center for that paragraph. Now for this first name and last name will complete all coloring part, applying the red color, green color. Okay. And then we'll come to the next part. Okay, let us go next. We have made as a false. Now we have to display one error message also to the F name. We can make text box with a red. So for that, go here, fname dot style dot border color C will be capital equal to red. Else border color keep as a green. Border color keep as a green. Fname dot style dot border color is a red. Fname dot style dot border color is a green. Hope I read. Check now. Red green is happening. This should go to the L name also. Hope check now. Red green. Red happen. Enter any string value here. Check now till here happening. Sajat, I will share your code not working then. If you write then only it will work now. See all code I have written, I have asked to copy paste. Let me complete, then I'll share your final code. Okay, let's go ahead. Now, if you fill everything properly, what is saying? Please wait, submitting to server. Now come down, write for email. But for email, I have given you a regular pattern, regular expression in the chat. You need that regular expression in the chat. Copy that regular expression. Okay, now come down below. Right here, if not e pattern, this line, not e pattern, so not represent what? False. E pattern dot test. Inside that you can pass email. Then email error will be red color. Email red color, else green color. Regular expression is not written by me, is from internet only. I will guide you what is that. So it is going to check exact email pattern. There must be at the rate, there should be dot, there should be .com, .co, .in, there should be username, those pattern. It is called regular expression. I will guide this complete once. Check now. Are you able to enter proper email or without email? Check invalid email saying like without at the rate, without .com, .co, .in. See, it is allowing or not. Yep. Error. Error. Error is gone. Okay. There is no such extension in the market. Okay. It's written in the last. Look at here. After dot, you see the pattern. After dot, it can be A to Z small or A to Z capital or 0 to 9. This line, last one. Dot is there. After dot plus, what should happen? A to Z small, A to Z capital or 0 to 9. Like .com, .co.in, .org, .99. Okay, it can be anything. And how many characters? Between 2 to 4. But you are trying to enter one character. So it's not matching the pattern. After 4 character, maybe you can try 5. Okay, it may work. 5 also should not work. It should take between 2 to 4. That is where after dot. Now see here. You can understand from beginning. Suppose my email ID is Siaram Yadav. Okay. So it is consist of a string and number both. So here you can see before plus. The plus symbol is there. Before that, it's written here. It is for your username. Like your name is Ganesh, Mahesh, MC 99 dot hyphen. Which is like the username can be combination of A to Z capital small 0 to 9. It can be hyphen also, it can be underscore also, and it can be dot also. Okay, Ganesh dot MCA 99. Correct. So those are or Ganesh hyphen MCA 2008. Correct. So those all are the combination of what? Username. After that plus, then which one is required? At the rate is compulsory. Again, after at the rate, what should be there? Domain name. That is called this much again. Okay. A to Z capital small 0 to 9. And then again hyphen, then dot. Those all are compulsory. After dot again, what should happen? Extension of the website. .com, .co.in, .org. That is called extension. Okay. And that should be between where to where? 2 to 4. Correct. That is all about that line. Okay, like this, lot of we can say expressions are available on internet. We can take it directly also. Where? Browser. Tell me. CO. MM. After 4. And the after 4 there will be optional, because what you have in the market, there is an extension of dot Friday. Okay, dot Saturday. Those are called as what? Extension of the website. Okay, so even according to HTML5, if you have given domain name and at the rate, okay, like suppose you given Ganesh at the rate domain name called XYZ, then it's a valid extension. This is a valid email. XYZ, it can be com.in something. That is room according to HTML5. Manually we have put till end up, at least last minimum it will not take how many? 1 character. After 2, okay, let it go. Next, come down. So till here is work. Shall I share this code? I will be sharing this code in your chat. Hope you can write for address. I will write here for password. Pass is empty or pass dot length dot le ngth length less than 6 or pass not equal to C pass. Write that. Pass not equal to C pass. Hello. Okay, sir. डिलीवरी के लिए आ सकते हैं, आ जाएं, आ जाएंगे क्या? ठीक है, मैं हाई करता हूँ आपको. ओके, थैंक यू. Okay, written. Now see what it says. Password should not be empty, or password dot length less than 6, or password not equal to which one? C password. Then what do you have? You say error. Limit for the 6-character minimum. More than 6 you can write in HTML max length. In HTML you can write the max length. Max length you can write as a 8, so user cannot enter more than 8. And for minimum length you applied the condition here. Now pass and C pass both should be red. Okay, and here pass and C pass both should be green. Add this, and address you have in the last, just apply a check once empty validation. Happening. Address also you can write, no, something for address. Happening address part. Check now. Why we can add not big problem. I will share you the code now. You can follow that if required. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll spend the time on class object. How to write a class, how to create object of that, what is inheritance, and those things. Then after that, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then which day will come? Then Friday will come, right? Friday will be over, then Saturday will come. Saturday, Sunday we have bootstrap. And then from Monday we'll start the jQuery. It will go for a few days. Huh? Which revision? Revision. What revision you want? I have time. Everyone should send me the SMS. See, Info Campus is mine only. I can spend 1 year for one batch. There is no problem at all. There is no any manager to ask from me. But people will ask why you took long time. Understood? No problem. Everyone will reply yes. I am agreed to spend more time. I have no any problem. I will revise again. I will teach from beginning to last again. Okay, but matter is of everyone agreement is required. Okay. Okay. Or in case if you want to re-attend the before you have a class, no, 2 o'clock people are coming. Join 2 o'clock, come 2 o'clock, attend again. Huh? Huh? That will be fine. Now my plan is what, like I will be teaching you 1 week as a jQuery. Within 1 week, their JavaScript will get finished. Then they will also come for React. You will also will be for the React. My 1.5 hour time will be saved. So within that time, jQuery is going on. You can revise JavaScript also, and after that, they will also come for React. They will also continue the React. 1 week? No, you're still two days is required for which one? JavaScript. Then Saturday, Sunday will come. After that, jQuery will go. jQuery 7 classes are required, 7 to 8 class. By then, they are jQuery, Bootstrap will this one JavaScript will be over. Or maybe they require some more classes. I will cover for them next. I cannot check entire code. No. I have shared the file. You can replace it. Okay, this one. What is the name? Name is called Rupesh. You are in the laptop now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will make. So you are talking now from the laptop now. In Zoom, are you logging in the laptop?
No, sir.
Then where you are logging?
I logged Zoom in mobile, sir.
No. You have to log in laptop. In Zoom, in laptop, open the Zoom and log in from there. I will make you host. You need to share your screen. Then I will guide you how to click the email and go to the YouTube and how to select the particular channel and where is the video.
Okay, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So let's do that and let me know quickly. You log out from the mobile and log in laptop. Okay, then continue. Okay, other people can log out.